everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Children of Great Day. Here we are back in the office, and to my left, as you can see, well, to your right, we've got both C8Rs, that being the Hypersonic Gray version and also the Accelerate Yellow. And in this video, I have a big news, major channel update. I think it's time that we start looking into selling our bright yellow Corvette C8R edition number 8. And I know what you're thinking. We just got that car a few months back, right? It's been like, what, 5 months ago? 5 months ago we got the car? Well, if you haven't seen a previous video that we launched on the channel not too long ago, we go over the possibilities of selling that car to get a Corvette Z06 with the Z07 performance package and the carbon fiber wheels, essentially all maxed out. And the word of mouth is that that version is going to be pretty expensive, right? I'm hearing talk of it being $130,000 maxed out or $150,000. Plus, when you add in California tax on either of those two numbers, the price is going to be pretty close to the foreign, exotic supercars like Lamborghini and so forth. Obviously, not quite to that tier. We're still like right here in the middle. Here's Lamborghini, and here's like the current C8s down here. I just think it's gonna be a lot of money. If I were to keep my current C8R and get a Z06, well, I don't know if I could really max out that car because I'm not made of money or anything. I'm just an average guy running to this page right here. It's a ton of fun doing that, but I think for us to truly get into the C8 Z06, the car is going to be significantly more expensive than my current C8 Corvette. Selling this car would allow us to get a Z07 package vehicle with the exposed carbon fiber wheels and so forth and actually track it. You got to realize the entire ownership bubble of a Z06 model for this new mid-engine Corvette is going to be much more because the tires are much wider. They are more sticky tires, so more expensive, right? The brakes, carbon ceramics, significantly more money than normal steel brakes, which I think many of you who own like ZR1s and so forth know what I'm talking about. Overall, if I were to sell my current C8R, I'd essentially be taking all that money from that car and sliding it over to another Corvette, which is pretty funny thinking about it. That's the game plan, and right now is a perfect time. We're hearing that production might begin sometime in summer, and if it does, that is pretty soon. And when I start selling cars, I usually don't sell them right away. I have some like leeway with them to enjoy them right up until the selling point. But I think selling now is one of the best things I can do because we'll be ready and primed to go to put a deposit down all the way for the C8 Z06 and then just get it all, buy an amazing spec and be ready to track it. I do want to try to trailer the C8 Z06 to tracks like COTA in Texas, even VIR, maybe even take it to the Nürburgring. That would be the ultimate goal for me. And it's definitely on the table as long as I can sell this car to do that. The C8R is such a fantastic car, and getting that car, I truthfully think we have done such a good job showcasing to the world what it can do, going to the racetrack with Laguna Seca, putting down some great times. The car is exciting, and it's so balanced, especially at the limit. I think hopping into the next evolution, right, the next tier up in terms of speed appeals to me so much, and I cannot wait to share with you guys what the new performance variant can do. If you haven't seen any of our C8R videos, make sure to check them out. I mean, picking up 2 of them at the same time, that was so much fun. What are the odds of actually getting one to test out from Chevrolet and then also picking up our car, the yellow one, within that time frame? It is a very special car to me, so that is why I don't want to modify it or do anything crazy like that. Initially, I was like looking into it, but again, it's a sub-10 numbered vehicle. It's the C8R edition, right? I think it needs to be, taken care of properly, like the way that we've been doing here on the channel, not, being drilled into or ruined through crazy mods, if that makes any sense. It's a rare car. I do want to say thank you to everyone who helped us get the car. I'm so happy we ended up getting an allocation for it. It's difficult to do so, I do realize that, and the appreciation doesn't end. The thing about it is that I want to be primed and ready to go to get this new car. If production starts sometime in summer or later, I just want to be able to get it and move on to the racetrack. If production is sometime in summer, that means that order banks might open up during the months prior to that, maybe like May, March. That's soon. Don't quote me because nothing's been announced yet. However, it just crossed my mind. I gotta be ready to go. The C8R is such a special vehicle, it really is, with all of its amazing race car accents of racing stripes that finish off the entire vibe of the vehicle, the custom wheels, the custom interior with the sky cool gray, the yellow stitching and yellow accents and the suede. It fully comes together as an amazing design package and is one of one, essentially. There's every C8R is different, to start it that way, right? Each car has its own number. The Z06s aren't even numbered. There's gonna be fewer C8Rs than Z06s. All these thoughts are crossing my mind, right? Should I really sell it if the C8Rs are gonna be much more rare and unique? But then the performance side of things is calling my name. I'm not a car collector, and I've said it multiple times on the channel. I don't have a massive garage to keep all these cars in. I move on to the next performance variant, and I continue to do so. When the Zora comes out, I want to try to get that car as well. Will I be able to keep every single model? Just no, I'm not able to do that. I am gonna miss a C8R though, I really am, because the whole style of it just speaks to me. It's meant to commemorate the actual racing vehicle, and it does a great job doing so, giving you the same numbers on the race car as well towards the rear, that being number 3 or number 4, depending on yellow or gray. And our car has essentially every option, right? We have competition sport bucket seats, 3LT, you name it. It's a nice car. It's a very special car. And I do want to find it the best home possible. What's interesting about it too is that there's 1,000 total C8Rs. That includes yellow, gray, also the convertible, the HTC models, and the coupes. I'm guessing we're like one of 400 or 300 that are coupes and yellow. That's insanely rare. You're not gonna see very many of them at all. In all honesty, the car is not 1 in 1,000. That would include all sorts of variations, right? Our C8R is really 1 in a couple hundred. Anyways, if you are interested, make sure to DM me on Instagram, that being speed_phenom, or reach out to me through the email listed below. I got your message loud and clear. Get a crazy version of the C8 Z06. You've enjoyed the C8R content, and I'm so happy to have got the chance, the opportunity to deliver those videos to you, to share what this all new, a crazy special edition is all about. I hope you guys enjoyed all of our C8R coverage, and stay tuned for a few more videos before we say goodbye to it. However, I think our game plan is completely lined up, and we know what we're gonna do. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to smash that like button to help me out. Also subscribe for much more great videos coming out your way. I'll see all of you in the next episode.